Today I'm going to explain how to insert the graph in PowerPoint and how to prepare it in Microsoft Excel. So please go to Microsoft Excel. So I would like to draw 3 lines, the objects for objects 1, 2, 3. So I have two data value x-axis times y-axis distance like this. So in the exam you should adjust your column to fit with the task. So you can do like this. So if not, you can double click here, so this automatically fits. Okay, so you can insert chart scatter. So shall we draw scatter charts? Okay, and then you need to define. So to define, you have to select this chart box, and then you need to click this select data, and then you need to add. Okay, series names is for the object 1. Series value h is this. Okay, y value is this. Okay, and then you can add next value object 2. This means object 2 h value is this, y value is this data for the object 2, and you should also add next object 3. H value should be this, and then y value should be this. Okay, so you make it like this, and then horizontal category. Okay, no problem. Okay, now you have this scattered charts, so but you may not understand without labels. So you need to put the labels. So you should, this is 3, so age 3 seconds, 3 seconds. Okay, 2, 3 seconds, 5 seconds, so 3. So you have to put, you have to set, you have to define so your label. So this is for object 2, this is for object 3, this object 1, this is for object 3. So to label like this, okay, to label like this is called putting the legend. So you need to insert the legend. So you need to insert the legends, right? Okay, now you may see like this. This is called legends. Okay, you can edit like this. And also, so you need to know chart title. So your chart title, so you should put your chart title above or center or as you like. Okay, so it should be, my chart title is OBJCD objects dist tnc distance and time graphs. So, and also you should insert this h level meanings and y level. So you should insert h titles. Okay, so I've drawn this. H is time, time in seconds. So, and also, so you should have to put your particular title of the axis. So this is for the distance, TNC distance for meter like this. So, and also you can put the values. So charge data value, you can, okay, above or below or center. So this means your chart details. Okay, now you can see easily, you may know easily when you look at the graphs, so you may understand easily. This is all, this value is type 3 second 2 meters, 4 second 3 meters, 5 seconds 7 meters, object 1. Okay, object 2 is 3 second 5 meter, 4 seconds 6 meters, 5 seconds 7 meter. So like this. So you now you have the graphs, so you can copy, you can click here, and also you can click these border lines, and then you can copy, and then you can paste here, paste. Okay, and then you can adjust like this, you can adjust like this. Okay, you can change your desktop, your front backgrounds, solid, also pattern or not the pattern. So you can choose the, okay, like, okay, that's not good. Okay, you can draw as you like, no problem. Oh, you cannot see anything. Okay, you should, so you should also, so like this, you should also edit like this, and also you can edit, and you can edit, you need to draw, you need to adjust like this, you can, okay, you can move like this. Okay, you can edit your weight, so like this you can edit, and also you can edit like this, and also you can edit just like the style. Okay, you can edit like this. Okay, to see clearly. So this is called how to insert the graph in PowerPoint. Okay, after creating in Excel. So you need to create Excel in advance before inserting the PowerPoint. So I hope you may understand how to insert the charts. Okay, thanks for watching.